Kanitha-ini wa All Saints Cathedral guku mucii wa Nairobi ni kuigongona ria gutuga a Kenya aria makoretwo makirutira kuheyana motungata ma mbere riria mitino yaumira, igongona riria rigutongoretio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta. Niguo kugacirithia uheyani wa motungata maya, President niathire Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kunyitanira na gikundi gia guthaitira mogwati gia St John's guthomithia atwarithia boda ngiri magana meeri motungata ma mbere maria mundu aheyagwo riria mutino wahanika, amwe atwarithia a boda nio mekinyagia mbere mitino-ini ino, na oho ministry no igathike mitaratara ya kurutithania wira na maafitha kwirutira ngiri 26 kuma St John's.
The Ministry of Health facilitates the establishment of a national trauma center and provides support towards the equipping of the highway trauma centers. The Ministry of Health shall, jointly with our National Treasury and the Attorney General's Office, formulate amendments to the St. John Ambulance of Kenya Act.
Agituga aria makoretwo muharini wa mbere guthaitira andu riria mitino yaumira, President ni atogeririe itemi riria gikundi gia St John's gikoretwo gigitema hari guthaitira mioyo ya andu.
Ladies and gentlemen, I once again congratulate the 31 postulants for their highly significant admittance into this most noble order, and I wish all of you the very best in your future endeavors.
Consider the Order of St. John as a partner in the healthcare system of our nation, and the spirit of volunteerism that has permeated from St. John has now taken root in the Ministry of Health.
Paul Kamau Thairo ni mwe wa andu aria mamukirire ngerenwa na akoretwo na gikundi gia St John's kwa makiria ma miaka 20 na ni atutariirie maundu maria matunganaga namo.
Hena emwe itangikagirwo mundu umwe tweteretirwo ni Ngiri na kwari na mathiko agituika traumatized ori mwe akigia na shock ngimukua na agikwira ngari-ini kindu kiu ndi ndariganirwo up to date tonageriria kumuteithia na CRP tukimuteithia gukinya thibitari agituka pronounced death.
Kamau augite kwamukira ngerenwa ino ni gikeno kinene kuri we ni undu wa wirutiri wake wa ihinda iraya, na
uyu ni undu wa kwirutira na ni undu wi ngoro-ini na ni undu wa guteithia andu na kurigana na four beatitudes ni nyamo ina spiritual na tukwenda ginya mahoya niguo twotae guteithia andu, na mwito wakwa ni gukorwo Kenya tuhoe tukoragwo na every first aid person o mucii tondu he maundu maingi muno mangi happen micii na mundu kwina first aid mucii ni kutukwata guteithia kihumo gitu.
Ngerenwa ici ciheanitwo ni Queen Elizabeth kuma bururi-ini wa Ngeretha na igakinyira maafithaya kuhitukira Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Ritorako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.